prophet Sulayman, peace be upon him, was a mighty prophet and king, blessed by Allah with dominion over humans, jinn, animals, and even the winds. He had a vast kingdom and could understand the speech of birds and insects. One day, Sulayman, peace be upon him, noticed that the hoopoe bird was missing from his gathering. When the bird returned, it brought important news. It had discovered a powerful kingdom ruled by a queen named Bilqees, who lived in Saba. She had a magnificent throne and ruled over a people who worshipped the sun instead of Allah. Sulayman sent a letter to Queen Bilqees, inviting her to worship Allah alone. In response, she sent gifts to test his power and intentions, but Sulayman rejected the gifts and warned her to submit to the one God. Before she arrived at his court, Sulayman said to his assembly, "O assembly, of jinn, who among you can bring me her throne before they come to me in submission?" One mighty jinn, Ifrit, said, "I will bring it to you before you rise from your place." But then, a man who had knowledge of the book, said, "I will bring it to you within the blink of an eye." And immediately, the throne appeared before Sulayman, transported across vast lands by the power of Allah. Sulayman praised Allah and ordered the throne to be slightly altered, to test whether Bilqees would recognize it. When she arrived, she was amazed and recognized her throne. She realized the greatness of Sulayman's Lord and eventually submitted to Allah, saying, "My Lord, indeed I have wronged myself, and I submit with Sulayman to Allah, Lord of the worlds."